everything checked out good. Everything. I'm so excited. First drive. Well, second drive. First camera drive. I mean, got the cracked action course. Hope it idles all right at the slide. I'm not going to come to a complete stop here. We had a little bit of bad gassing here at first. Listen to that V8. Oh man, guys, I'm so happy right now. This is literally the best day of my life. I'm about to hit a place where the speed limit's above 50. Just cruising along a little road here. Sorry about that noise. Some of the insulation in the back is kind of flapping a little bit. That's what you hear. But I mean, just rides like a charm. If you're wearing earphones, you could probably hear the rumble of that V8. Sounds pretty nice. Just give it a little bit of gas here, not much. Man, it just pulls. That's like a third gear pull right there. Because I think this one has the 273 gears, so I haven't tested it out, but it has the gear shift that only goes down to second, which I believe means that it's 273 versus 323s. So this one's first goes to about 45 or 50, second to about 90. Out on the freeway here, getting on. Let's do a little pull here and see how it does. Put it in second gear there. Or actually, that was third gear there. Here's another little highway pull up to speed. I'll try to get it in second this time. Give it a little bit of gas here, not much. Man, it just pulls. That's like a third gear pull right there. Alright, just got done driving it. Man, I'm loving it so much so far. The feeling of driving it, it's different from any other vehicle I've really ever driven that's mine. But there are a few things kind of dampening its acceleration right now, as you'll see in the next video where I talk about a couple of little problems it's having. But just driving it is amazing. I'm loving every second. It just pulls like crazy, even though its acceleration is dampened right now. It's just crazy.